अब भी फॉलोवर्स बढ़ाने में लगे हो, इन्फ्लुएंसर हो या बिजनेस ओनर, फॉलोवर्स ही बढ़ाने तो कोई भी बॉट खरीद लो और फेक नंबर से खुश हो जाओ। लेकिन एज अ बिजनेस ओनर योर मोटिव टू यूज सोशल मीडिया शुड बी टू ड्राइव ट्रैफिक, कन्वर्जेंस, अल्टीमेटली सेल्स। अब लास्ट महीने नवंबर मैंने एक चैलेंज लिया और रोज एक ही कंटेंट पीस में डालती रही विद कंसिस्टेंटली, एंड हियर्स द माइंड ब्लोइंग रिजल्ट। आई गॉट अराउंड 24,000 views with just 16 subscribers and 40 followers on Instagram. Without my content going viral, without any fancy setup, without any trending audio, just consistency. Around 19.8k views I got on Instagram, जिसमें से 350 plus were the profile visits, 4 to 5 were new followers, and average view per reel was just 300 to 350 views. And here's the crazy part. I posted the same reel on YouTube Shorts. On YouTube I got 4,612 views in total for a month. That's 98% more than the previous month. 4.6 hours of watching time and just 1 new subscriber. And 881 engaged views, which is 38% more. And you know what's interesting? The same reel performs differently on both platforms. One reel on YouTube had 257 views, but wahi same on Instagram had 1064 views. Another reel on Instagram had 135 views, lekin same reel performed well on YouTube with 1000 plus views. Same content, different platform, different outcome. Now just imagine if 20,000 people are viewing your content in a month, they are watching you, your expertise, your authority, your content, even 2% convert, and your product is, let's suppose, one-on-one consulting for 10k. Now yourself you calculate what's the revenue potential. The main thing to understand is increasing more followers will not bring more revenue, but ultimately when you post more content on organic, you ultimately reach new audience, and when you reach, you have the potential to get the revenue, because more content is equal to more reach is equal to more authority, and more authority is equal to more convergence. Now in part 2 I'm going to show you exactly how I did it to achieve this amazing result without my content even going into thousands of views. Follow it before you miss